Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to sync contact with Google. So let's go back. You go to your settings, open your settings, then you go to use password and account. Click on password and account, then you click on your Google. Alright, see, no, this is I have my Google here already. So click on your Google, your account. So if you don't have any account on your Google already, you can just click on Google into add your new account, which I've taught you in one of our video in how to open Google and how to add your email account on your phone. So now here I've already have my email account added on my phone. Yes, I'm just going to click on the account here, and this is it. I'm going to click on this. When you click on this, and this is it. This is your account sync. Click on account sync here, and these are the things that you sync. You can see my contact is off. Just click on your contact here, and it's syncing now. Let's wait for it to sync finish. You can see this is it. I have synced on my account. So if you want to see all the account that I sync, these are your sync account, your calendar. Just click on it. You can see, and these are the things that you can sync now. It is very easy. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.